If this lean, the shelves are going to be lean. Watch out. So, hired. See it there. Peer problem. Peer problem in the camp. Wait a minute. Something is missing.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Reply, and it's day 15 of Artmas or Vlogmas, whatever you want to call it. Now, before we jump into the video, let's talk about the hair. Okay, I'm gonna give you a quick update on the hair. Now, for those who are new, I am doing basically like a challenge just to see if the famous Design Essential shampoo works as they say. Now, for persons who are watching YouTube videos, TikToks, and whatever, you will hear that Design Essential is one of the best shampoo. So I am here to test whether or not they are good for my hair. For those who are new, again, my hair is actually waist length, so I can determine whether or not this is good for my hair or not based on the products that I have been using. Okay guys, the do-rag did not fall off my hair last night. This is how it is. I took it off once to do some work in the kitchen and around the house, and I took it off again for this vlog. Alright, so this is how the hair looks, and I can tell you that it is dry to the max. I moisturize it the Friday. I washed it the Thursday. I moisturized it the Friday and the Saturday. Today is Sunday and it's dry to the max. Now, as I mentioned in other previous hair videos, my hair does not dry out as fast, okay? Now, I'm trying to take the blame off the shampoo and the conditioner here. So, I'm testing it until Wednesday of this week, Wednesday or Thursday of this week, just to see if I'm basically testing out if the shampoo and the conditioner is the one that causes my hair to be itching and drying out, or it's just my hair misbehaving. All right guys, so right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of this in there because it's extra dry. So I'm just going to spray some of this. Just drench it, because remember, you don't want your hair to be dry, because your hair will break, your hair will fall off. All right, you don't want that, so you have to keep it moist. So right now it's dry as pitch, dry as chalk. All right, so I'm also moisturizing the bun. All right, so you have to get that in. All right, and then I'm going to massage it in. I still have the dandruffs in there, guys. As I said, I'm not going to pull it out until the Wednesday or the Thursday of this week, so I'm not pulling it out. So this is it. So I'm going to put back my do-rag on my head and just work with it for the rest of the time until bedtime. All right guys, so stay tuned for the other update on the Design Essential shampoo. All right guys, so let's jump in the video. This is a product that I got from Temu. For those who are not following the vlogs, I'm starting my planting journey, so I bought a mini greenhouse, and I find setting up things very frustrating, really frustrating. I'm back, dear lady. So let's do this quick. Let's do this quick and fast. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Alright, what next? let's do the next side, cause I don't know what I'm wrong with this one. Lean up. Lean up. You see, guys? Lean up. I want to pass you now. Then I'm going to work with them. Kind of a little bit better. So I want to lean everywhere. Oh Lord, go lean. Jeez. If this lean, the shelves are going to be lean, so I have to try and make it as straight as possible. All right, what next? What is next? Oh, I see, said the blind man. Where is it? Number one. Oh, this was a number one. Yeah. So we put in number one. So they have the number on the plastic bag. You're not gonna see it. It's right there. So I start at the bottom. I think I should. So just let it stand by itself so I can put on the rest easy. So let's do that. So should this go at the top or bottom? Right there, so. Okay. See, it's coming together. It's coming together, guys. This is why I had to come outside, guys. It's not normal. It's not normal. Rapidly crap. Oh, Jesus. It's no normal. Alright, let's do this again so you guys can saw. Alright, there you go. So this is the bottom. Right? This is the bottom. Then I'm gonna attach this little cord here to the other side so you can stand up, and I can push the others in easily. That is my aim. Alright. Watch out. So tired. See it there. Be a problem. be a problem in the camp. I'm tired. There you go. Okay, time I go now. I think we can finish this, guys. I swear. Time is money. Look there, is my double? I ain't got no time for this. Ain't got no time. But I'm soon done, you know. Guys, I'm gonna check on the tank. For a long time, you tell no man. Alright, guys, we have 10 to 15 minutes left before I can go. It needs to get going. Alright, let's. Should I? Alright, let's hold that together. Hold that. Alright. Watch out. Please. Oh. Right. Just. Alright guys, I want to turn it the other way now, but me afraid. There you go. There you go, guys. I think they're going good enough. Some of them not going far enough. I can't manage no more. Can't manage. Wait a minute. Something is missing. Something missing. Hey, it's the next time now. What's up, Papa? Too long one day. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, almost there, but oh, my bad. Look here, it's another turn. Not bad. So that shouldn't go to this. So this shouldn't go here. And then that wouldn't free up. Mamma mia. Alright guys. That's up for next time. I'm not no time for this. I ain't got no time. Alright, so this part here should have been here, right? Yeah, but me can't bother. So this now would not go on top. One here, one here, and one on the other side. This, yeah, but not today. Not today. Alright, me want to see how it look, but then again I put this on the edge, so I know. Throw it away, I say. Throw it all away. Throw it all away. I can't be bothered. Oh God, guys. Throw it all away. Because this have to adjust, guys. I know today though. I know this flag either. Whenever I'm going to use it, guys, I will show you how I fix it, right? Alright. Let's see how this looks on it. Yes, Miss Rain. It's back on street again. You hungry now, guys? Okay, don't tell me so this has zip spoil already. Alright, just be careful with the zip, guys. Kinda look 200. Beef, rice and chicken. One thing. On the tennis. And that's it. And you saw it. On the street. On the cafe. On the never see. I did it! I did it! Alright, guys. That's it. I'm so proud of me. Proud of moi. In 30 minutes. So bye, guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.